Hi, in this video we will be discussing GMAT Official Guide 2017th edition Quant Problem Solving question number 160. Let's have a look at this question. If you look at this question, the question says in the figure shown, if the area of the shaded region is 3 times the area of the smaller circular region. Okay, so they have given us a picture where it looks like a ring, that is like concentric circle. There is a one bigger circle over a smaller circle, and there is the area between the two circles is shaded here. Okay. Now they are saying then the circumference of the larger circle is how many times the circumference of the smaller circle. Okay. So let's call the radius of the smaller circle as r and the radius of the larger circle as capital R. Okay. Now what the question says is, say, couple of things we need to know here. First, area of the circle. Area of circle is pi r square. We all know that. If r is the radius, and area of circumference of the circumference of circle is 2 pi r, or we can write it as also pi into d, where diameter is 2 times of radius. Okay, let's call area of the smaller circle, right? Radius is r, so let's call the area of smaller circle as SO. Okay, so smaller circle area is pi r square. But what they are saying is area of the shaded region, right, is 3 times the area of the smaller circular region. So let's call shaded region as SR. SR area is 3 times of the smaller circle, which is 3 times of pi r square. And we know that area of the larger circle is nothing but shaded region. Larger circle, let's call this as LO. Larger circle area is nothing but SO, smaller circle plus shaded region, right? So in that case, pi r square plus 3 pi r square would be equal to 4 pi r square, right? 4 pi r square. Now, if you look at it, now we have to figure out the circumference of the larger circle to the smaller circle. Circumference of the smaller circle is of course 2 pi r, because r is the radius. Now, to circumference of the larger circle, first we have to figure out what is the r here, right? 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square, if I have to write accordingly, according to the larger circle, right? Larger circle area is pi into, let's keep the radius as r, capital R. Pi r square is equal to 4 pi r square, right? So if we cancel r and pi and pi, right, we will have r square is equal to nothing but 4r square. So in that case, r is nothing but, right, if you take square root, r is nothing but 2r. R is nothing but 2r. So capital radius, capital R, the radius of the larger circle is nothing but 2 times the radius of the smaller circle. So in that case, circumference of the larger circle would be 2 pi, and r is 2 times of r, right? So when we are how many times it is more than the circumference of the smaller circle, means 2 times of 2r. So in that case, we will have is nothing but 2 pi r is nothing but 2 into 2 pi r, we can write like this, which is 2 pi r is nothing but the circumference of the smaller circle. So larger circle circumference is 2 times the circumference of the smaller circle. That's it. So answer has to be here C, 2 times. Hope this is clear. We can also solve this question using plugging in, because whenever we are finding the comparison of two values, that is ratio or relation or percentages, always we can use plugging in, right? So here there is a small r, that is the radius of the smaller circle, and there is also a radius of the bigger circle. They are asking circumference of larger circle is how many times the circumference of the smaller circle, right? So larger circle and the smaller circle circumference. Okay, so larger circle, okay, and the smaller circle circumference. Okay, so in that case, right, we know that here's larger circle area is nothing but area, write down like this, area. Larger circle area is nothing but smaller circle area plus the shaded region, area of the shaded region. So they are saying smaller circle area is area of the shaded region is 3 times the area of the smaller circular region. Okay, let for an example, let assume small r, right, radius of the smaller circle, small r, radius of the smaller circle as some 2. Okay, then the area of the smaller circle would be pi into r square, which is nothing but r square, 2 square here is 4, so 4 pi. Whereas area of the shaded region is 3 times of it. So 3 times of it means 3 times of 4 pi, which is nothing but 12 pi, all put together it gives you 16 pi. So area of the larger circle is 16 pi. We know that area of the larger circle is nothing but pi into where r radius is capital R, r square is equal to 16 pi. So in that case pi get cancelled, so you get r is equal to 4. Okay, if capital R is equal to 4 and small r is equal to 2, small r is equal to 2, then the circumference, right, circumference of the larger circle is 2 pi r, and this has to be 2 pi small r. So in that case 2 pi r is nothing but 2 into 4, 8 pi this is, and this is 2 pi into r is 2, so it is nothing but 4 pi. So in that case it is in the ratio of 2:1, that is area, I mean circumference of the smaller circle is 2 times, half a time the circumference of the larger circle, otherwise circumference of the larger circle is 2 times, larger circle is equal to 2 times the circumference of the smaller circle, right. So answer has to be here 2, which is C, answer option C. Hope this is clear. Thank you.